I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will try to see how to recognize a sequence in a pattern. Question here is, state if the following sequences are arithmetic, geometric, or neither. So we are given 4 sequences. Now arithmetic sequence is one which will have common difference. So that will be arithmetic. Geometric will have a constant ratio. So that is what we are looking for. So between successive terms, do we have a common difference or do we have a constant ratio? So if you see this, the first one is 1 minus 2, 4 minus 8 and so on. Do we have a common difference or a constant ratio? That is what you have to ask yourself, and the answer will give you the type of sequence. If none of these is true, then it's neither. Perfect. So you can pause the video, copy these 4 questions and answer. The first one here is 1 minus 2, 4 and so on. So let's find there is no common difference what we can see here, but let's check the constant ratio. So we have minus 2 over 1, and then the next term is 4 over minus 2. So this is of course minus 2. 4 over minus 2 is also minus 2. And then we have minus 8 over 4, which is also equals to minus 2. And then we have 16 over minus 8, which is also minus 2. And that gives us the result that it is a geometric sequence. So let me write G for here, right? So it's a geometric sequence. Now the next one here is 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So let's find the difference between each. So what is 2 minus 1 equals to? It is 1. And then we do 4 minus 2, which is 2. And then we have 6 minus 4, which is equals to 2. Now since we have different differences, it doesn't work. Now let's try the multiples. So as far as the multiples are concerned, we can actually write 2 over 1. So let's say, let me continue here, 2 over 1 is 2, and then we have 4 over 2, which is 2, then 6 over 4 is not equal to 2. So therefore it is neither. Okay. Now we have 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on. Now the difference here is, let me write the difference this time right there with the sequence. So if you go from one to the next one, it is 3, and then here it is 5, and then we have 7, and this is 9. So difference is constantly increasing, but it is not constant, right? So it is not arithmetic. And as far as the ratio is concerned, we can clearly see there is no fixed ratio, correct? Therefore this one also is neither. Now we have 0.1, 0.11, 0.111. This is also neither, since you cannot get the next term by multiplying it with the previous term, right? If I do 0.1 times 0.1, what do I get? I actually get 0.01. You get the idea, which is not kind of similar, right? So we don't have a common ratio also here, or you could check the other way. 0.11 divided by 0.1 is what, right? So when you do that, decimal moves to one place, so you get 1.1. However, if you do 0.111 divided by 0.11, it's altogether a different story, right? So it is when you make 2 decimal places, it is 11.1 divided by 11, so it is 1 point, then it becomes 10, right? It's not 11 over 1. So it is less than, it may be 0.09, but it is not 1.1, correct? Therefore this ratio is also neither. So that is how you can answer such questions. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.